Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to make fish roll. Yeah, you see how yummy it look. So let's start. Put your fry pan or saucepan on fire. Add small oil. Then you add your fish to it. This is the fresh fish I'm using. And you add your rosemary. You add your fish seasoning, curry powder, black pepper, chopped garlic, shrimp Maggi, small shrimp Maggi, yeah, not too much, small one, and you mix it together. We set the fire to medium-high temperature. So when everything is cooking like this, you add your chopped onions to it. You stir that one too. Yeah. The fish fillet, I make it, so you can make your own. Carrots. The fish is mackerel. I use the mackerel. So if you like tuna, you can use the tuna one. Add small water, not too much, a little bit, not too much. You add it to it, you stir it. Yeah, you know the fish don't take too long. Add the potato. This is the grated one. You can chop it like the onion one. Yeah, you can chop it if you like it. But me, I prefer to do like this. Yeah, you can chop everything like carrots like this. You can chop it, and you add a little bit of water again. You know, potato is fresh, so you need more water to cook it. And you cover it, low the heat small, and cover it. Let it be cooked until the potato or everything is soft for you. So you open it and you stir it, and you check it if it's soft for you. Yeah, you see what I'm doing it. I'm checking it if it's okay for me. I didn't use my hand, but you can use your hand to check the potato if it's soft for you. It's ready. We finished the filling. Put it aside, and you come to prepare the dough. You know the dough, I have already recipe there, so I will put the link there and you check it. Sprinkle small flour on the surface, and you take it from fridge. So this one straight from fridge, yeah? And you massage it small, and you use your rolling pin to flat it like this. Yeah, please don't press it too harder. You should make it langsam. Yeah, I have speak Netherlands. So you cut it nicely because you need good shape to rolling it. So you see what I'm doing it. Yeah, you do like this. Yeah, you cut it 4 corners nice like this one. It's easy to prepare this recipe. I hope you can do it. I trust you. And you flat it again, yeah, because it's too thick and you don't want it, so it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, this. And you put your filling on top. The sauce we prepare like that filling, you put it aside. That's what I'm putting on top now. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. May the Lord bless you. And you roll it like this. Yeah, you roll it gently. Don't use too many power to do this. Make it gently. Yeah, you see how I'm rolling it. Yeah, I'm not rushing. Yeah, and don't make it too thick. That's why I'm cutting that side from there. You cut it from there. Yeah, you see, you roll it 1, 2, and you get it. Yeah. So after that, you cut it. It depends how long you want. Yeah, and you divide it. And if you are new here, wow, welcome to Mayu Kitchen. Please, you see how it's supposed to look? Yeah, you see, it's very nice. You see. Impress it on prepared baking tray with parchment paper. Use the fork to typen on top like this. Yeah, you see what I'm making it. Yeah, that's the typing. And you brush on top with egg. This just egg. You beat the egg small and use to brush on top like this nicely. And you set your oven to 180 degrees. And you bake until golden brown. That's why we use the egg. Enjoy! Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.